Okay, so that was an overview of the 6 steps that's needed in order to write a mission statement. Let's get down to the nitty gritty of how to perform these 6 steps. So step 1, telling our story. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. What you want to do, if you're in a group, is split your group into several small groups. Each member of each mini group gets a few minutes to share a story. You want to ask a question like, what does it look like when we're doing our best work? And if you don't have any stories yet, just make a story up. Inform every group of this. Ask, what does it look like when we're doing our best work? And if they don't have a story, just make a story up. We want every member of every group to add some value to the conversation. Make sure each mini group write the details out on their note cards or their paper, because they'll be sharing these stories with the large group soon. Don't forget them. Now, if you're alone, it's the same idea. You need to come up with multiple stories. You need to come up with multiple historical facts, or you can make up stories in which you'll like to have an impact over. This is a place where you can become extremely creative. Actually, not step 2 yet. Sorry. What we want to do is take each of these stories. Identify every time you mention a specific noun or a specific place or person. Circle them, and you will be able to identify them later. Next, draw a square around any mention of your organization making a difference or taking action. For example, in Rwanda, we got to help a certain family get clean water. You guys took the action to help that family get clean water. So you put a square around that, but you'll put a circle around Rwanda. Next, you want to underline anytime something in the story changes for a better that results from your work. So because you were able to provide this family with clean water, now the children are allowed to go to school instead of spending days sick from drinking bad water or walking long hours to carry water back from the dirty river. In the end, your story should look something like this. The point of this exercise is to be able to identify the important parts of your story, so you can share it with the large group.